Welcome to Chapter 3, The First People of the Wisconsin Journey. The earliest people. The people who lived here very long ago left no written records. We call these people prehistoric. How do we know about them? The men, women, and children of long ago threw things away. They also dropped things. They left things behind when they moved. Today, when we find very old things people left behind, we call them artifacts. Artifacts are things such as spear points, tools, jewelry, baskets, and pottery. Archaeologists. Archaeologists are scientists who study artifacts. The artifacts help us learn how the people lived. Most ancient artifacts are buried in the earth. Over time, layers of sand and dirt have covered them up. Archaeologists must dig slowly and carefully to find the treasures. Sometimes only a sand brush is gentle enough to clean off the dirt. A small brush, not sand, a small brush. Once in a while, an amazing discovery is made. An archaeologist finds a sandal, rope, or piece of pottery that give new clues to how people lived long ago. Archaeologists found a cave near La Crosse that has many charcoal drawings. Archaeologists plan to spend the next several years studying the drawings. They will be searching for more clues to life in the past. La Crosse, Wisconsin. What do you think? Do we always know how a person who lived thousands of years ago used an item? Can we guess how important a hair comb or a spear point was to a boy or a girl? Why should scientists be careful about deciding how people in the past lived? Archaeologists dig very carefully. They try not to break tiny bones or artifacts that will help them learn about ancient people. Paleo people. Caption. To make spears, clubs, and scrapers, the people sharpen rocks and tie them to wooden sticks. Sometimes they used a clamshell instead of a rock. Caption. Sharp tools were made from animal bones. Caption. A sharp spear point made of flint was used to hunt large animals. Flint is a hard type of rock. Caption. Men used spears to kill mammoths and other large animals for food. The first people, Paleo people. We call the earliest prehistoric people Paleo people. Paleo means ancient. The people probably lived during the end of the Ice Age. They were nomadic. The men, women, and children walked from place to place to find food. The people are also called hunters and gatherers because they gathered seeds, berries, and roots from wild plants. The men hunted large animals such as mammoths with spears. They caught small animals such as rabbits and birds with nets or traps. They fished in streams and lakes. Animals were important for clothing too. The women used bone needles to sew animal hides together for clothes and blankets.